Remember, when you go to buy a car, there's only one number in your mind: the monthly payment. You think if that payment doesn't hurt your wallet, the car's within your reach. That's exactly the moment where the biggest deception begins. The payment is not the price of the car. The payment is just one small gear in a much bigger machine that quietly pulls money from your pocket every single month. Car ownership is actually not one cost, it's 5 separate costs combined: the purchase price, the financing interest, insurance, maintenance, and the silent killer, depreciation, the loss of the car's value over time. Let's say you bought a $30,000 car. You put down $5,000. The remaining $25,000 was financed at 6% interest over 5 years. Just that interest alone will cost you nearly $4,000 extra dollars. That money never went into the car, it went into the bank's pocket. Now let's talk insurance. Annual insurance on a new car can average $1,500 to $2,000. Over 5 years, that adds up to $8,000 to $10,000. Another silent installment, one that never shows up on your monthly budget receipt. But the real shock comes next. The moment you drive a new car out of the dealership, its value drops by nearly 20% instantly. Within the first 5 years, the car loses about 60% of its original value. Think about it. A $30,000 car is worth barely $12,000 5 years later. $18,000 evaporated into thin air. It doesn't feel like an expense because no bill ever arrives for it, but it's the biggest expense of all.
Add it all up, and that $30,000 car actually costs you about $52,000 over 5 years. Payment, interest, insurance, maintenance, and depreciation combined. That's almost twice the sticker price. And that's the moment the question changes. The question isn't whether you can afford the monthly payment. The question is whether you can afford the full price of that car. Every month, every bill, every tank of gas, every tire change, for the next 5 years. People who build wealth understand this game. They don't buy cars. They don't put the biggest chunk of their money into something that quietly loses value every single year. You're not just buying a car. You're signing a contract for 5 years of hidden bills, hiding behind one monthly payment.